Hello people of the internet, my name is Anton Suarez, and here we're going to be taking a look at Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu is another release of a Debian Linux. It is the same type as Linux Mint. It runs the same commands, and Ubuntu is a little different in how it runs its business. So, as you see here, there's different versions of Ubuntu Linux. They have Ubuntu for cloud, download Ubuntu for the computer, and they have some smartphone versions as well. So if you want to head over and get the download link, you can go over to ubuntu.com, and as always, the link will be in the description below. So let's head over to the downloads, and you can see what you can download. You can download either a Ubuntu server, Ubuntu cloud, and you can do different things. Servers are amazing. I have my website is running on a Ubuntu server. I will show that in a later video. Yeah, let's jump onto Ubuntu desktop. So like before, you're going to have to again pick from what type of system you have, either a 64-bit or a 32-bit, and download the one of your choice. And there's multiple options such as torrents and other mirrors from where you live. So nice website, beautiful website. You can pretty much do anything you need to do, including setting up a server, and very good documentation on their front. So let's jump right over to the VirtualBox where I am running Ubuntu. Alright, now on the Ubuntu side, we're in the Ubuntu Live CD. So from here, you can either choose to install Ubuntu 14.04 long-term support. So you will be getting support for this version of Ubuntu till I believe 2019. So updates, everything, people at Conical will be supporting you. So, like Linux Mint, you have a bunch of pre-installed programs. So, if we take a look, we can look. You have Rhythmbox Music Player. You have some video editors, Thunderbird, a bunch of stuff like that, and that on there. File Manager, Firefox, LibreOffice, and different thing that Linux Mint didn't really have is a actual app store. So on this type of on this Debian install of Ubuntu, you get an app store. You get the Ubuntu Software Center. And let me be clear that you can actually, I will probably make a tutorial in a later video how to install this on any other Debian-based distro through terminal, and I'll probably document it on my website as well. So through here you can either pay to buy some things, and I highly recommend Numix. It's a great icon theme pack, and yeah, you can go through here, take a look around. Gpart, it is it's a partitioning tool for hard drives, and there's a bunch of really cool applications here that you can download for free and install them without using the terminal. And yes, there is a terminal here, and it does offer you the same abilities as it did on Linux Mint. So very good to install and play around on there. One thing that makes Ubuntu different than Linux Mint and other distros is its interface. So this interface we call this is a Unity interface, which has the side-like kind of Mac interface on the edge instead of on the bottom. And yeah, this is called Unity. So other distributions will have their own type of interfaces. So Linux Mint uses Cinnamon, and there's other interfaces. KDE is more Mac-like, which has the dock on the bottom bar. So interfaces are really what differentiate the Debian installations of Linux, and later on I'll get into doing each of them individually, and there's other ways to actually swap out interfaces using an Arch Linux installation, which is a little bit more advanced, and I'll make a different tutorial series for an Arch Linux installation. But that really sums it up for Ubuntu. I find it is a great way to start out in Linux, like Linux Mint, but as a fault to it, I say that it's kind of harder for older systems to be running Ubuntu. It's highly graphically intense with different animations like opening this, and other computers that don't have a lot of RAM won't really benefit from this type of Linux. I would recommend like a OpenBox Linux installation or Linux Mint, which runs very well on a older system. This will run okay, but I wouldn't recommend it for many old systems. Yeah, but that really ends it for this video. I want to thank you for watching. Please rate, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial video.